When you first got it, how long did it take you from opening the box to measuring with the product?
So I think it already had a pretty good battery charge on it. So I didn't even have to charge it when I got it out of the box. Like installing the app and getting Bluetooth connected. And I think even with RTK fix time, it was probably like 15 minutes. It was really quick. Yeah.
Excluding the GEO-MEASURE, what do you bring with you to get the job done?
I usually would bring, well, obviously the phone, the GEO-MEASURE. I usually bring my laptop with me just in case I need to do some like processing. Like for example, I thought I mapped out 10 trees, but actually there was only 8 in the data, so I needed to put the other 2 into the data or something like that. I would do that on the laptop. I also got a cheap survey tripod that I can mount the GEO-MEASURE on. So actually, yeah, I went out, I think last weekend or something like that, to stake out basically not like high resolution, but just basically where I wanted to put the trees, get some wooden stakes and a mallet. And after I put the GEO-MEASURE down on the ground, make sure it's in the right place, and mark it, and then put the wooden stake in.
So it sounds like phone, GEO-MEASURE, pole, laptop.
GeoNet. Mind the sky.